Hi, Mark. Good morning.
Good morning, Emily. It is nice to see you.
It is nice to see you too. How are you today?
I am good. I slept well last night. How about you?
I am fine. I woke up early today.
Really? What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6. I wanted to exercise.
Oh, that is good. I woke up late. I woke up at 8.
That is not too late. Do you feel tired?
A little, but the coffee will help.
Do you want to order coffee now?
Yes. Let's order.
What do you want?
I want a hot latte. Simple and warm. You?
I want an iced coffee. Today is hot.
Yes, the weather is warm.
Do you want food too?
Maybe a small sandwich. I am a little hungry.
Okay, I will order a muffin. I like sweet food in the morning.
Great! Let's order together.
So, what is your morning routine?
My morning routine is simple. I wake up, drink water, stretch, and then make breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually eggs and fruit. Sometimes bread.
That sounds healthy.
Yes. And you? What is your routine?
I wake up, check my phone, and then make coffee.
Just coffee?
Yes, I usually skip breakfast.
Really? Why?
I don't know. I don't feel hungry in the morning.
You should eat something small. It is good for your health.
Yes, I know. Maybe I will try.
What time do you start work today?
I start at 9.
And what do you do first at work?
I check my emails and plan my tasks.
That sounds organized.
I try. What about you?
I start at 10 today.
Later than usual?
Yes. I have a light schedule this morning.
That is nice. Yes, I like having a slow morning.
Emily, how long have you been learning English?
I have been learning for 2 years.
Your English is very clear.
Thank you. I practice every day.
How do you practice?
I listen to English podcasts and shadow slowly.
Shadowing is good.
Yes, I also read simple stories.
That helps with vocabulary.
What about you?
I learn English with videos, and I speak with you.
That is practice too.
Yes, and I enjoy it.
Do you have plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Maybe I will visit my parents.
That is nice.
Yes, I visit them twice a month.
What do you do with your parents?
We cook, talk, and watch movies.
Simple and relaxing.
Yes.
What about your weekend plans?
I may clean my home, and I want to read a new book.
What book?
A simple English novel.
Good for practice.
Yes, I want to learn new words.
What are your hobbies? I like drawing, listening to music, and walking in the park.
That is peaceful.
What about your hobbies?
I like cooking.
Oh, what do you cook?
Simple food. Pasta, soup, and sometimes cake.
You can bake?
A little.
That is impressive.
Not really. I just follow the recipe.
Still good.
Emily, it was nice talking to you this morning.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
We should practice English together again.
Yes, let's do it often.
Okay, I need to go to work now.
Me too. See you later.
See you, Emily. Have a good day.
You too, Mark. Hi again, Mark.
Hi, Emily. It is good to see you again.
How was your morning at work?
It was busy, but not too hard.
That is good. What did you do?
I had a meeting, answered emails, and worked on a report.
Sounds productive.
Yes. How was your morning?
My morning was quiet. I finished some small tasks.
That sounds easy.
Yes, it was simple.
What did you eat for lunch today?
I ate rice, vegetables, and chicken.
A healthy lunch.
Yes. What about you?
I ate a sandwich and soup.
Sandwich again?
Yes, I like simple food.
That is true. The weather is warm today,
Yes, it is a little hot.
but the wind feels nice now.
Yes, this park feels cool in the afternoon.
I like sitting here.
Me too. It is relaxing.
Did you practice English at work today?
Not much. I was too busy.
That is okay.
I will practice this evening.
What will you practice?
Listening and shadowing. Slow English.
Good. Shadowing helps with speaking.
Yes, I repeat after the speaker.
Do you pause the audio?
Sometimes, when it is too fast.
That is fine. Go slow and clear.
Yes, step by step.
Mark, do you have English goals?
Yes, my goal is to speak more naturally,
That is a good goal.
and I want to understand movies without subtitles.
That is harder.
Yes, but I will try.
You can do it.
Thank you. What is your goal?
I want to speak faster and with confidence.
You already speak well.
Thank you, but I want to improve more.
We can study together.
Yes, let's practice often.
Do you like traveling, Emily?
Yes, I like traveling very much.
Where do you want to go next?
I want to visit Japan.
Why Japan?
I like the culture, the food, and the beautiful nature.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes. Do you like traveling?
Yes, but I do not travel often.
Why not?
I am busy with work.
I understand.
But I want to visit Korea someday.
That is nice.
Yes, the food looks delicious.
What will you do this evening?
I will cook dinner and then watch a show.
What show?
A simple English show, easy to understand.
Good for practice.
Yes, and you?
I will read my book and take a walk.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, I like quiet evenings.
Emily, you help me with English a lot.
Really?
Yes, talking with you helps me speak more.
I feel the same.
Let's continue practicing together.
Yes, let's do it.
Step by step, we will get better.
Yes, slow, simple, clear English.
Exactly.
It is getting late.
Yes, I should go home soon.
Me too.
Today was a good day.
Yes, very good.
Thank you for the practice.
Thank you too.
See you tomorrow?
Yes, see you tomorrow.
Good night, Emily.
Good night, Mark.